Hello everyone, as you all know, this is KINGFX, and right here I'm trying to pinpoint a strategy that has been very consistent, very accurate for the past many years. This strategy is very profitable. If you understand it, you will enjoy it. So not to waste much of your time, please pay attention. I will explain two things about this strategy, the time frame analysis and how to analyze. You understand me? So first of all, there are some indicators we'll be making use of, very simple indicators we'll be making use of. These indicators will make our chart more easier to interpret. You understand? Forex trading is an art of interpreting a chart like a graph. You know what we taught, what they taught us in school, what we have been taught in school, how to analyze graph, how to draw a graph, how to label and the rest. It's the same thing with forex trading, but quite some kind of technical analysis must also be included. So let me guide you guys through it. First of all, let's impute our indicators so you understand what we'll be doing here today. You all must have known how to insert indicators. I shouldn't be doing a video about that again. I've already done that before. So let's watch this. We'll be making use of our moving average, our moving average. Make use of your moving average. Our period is period 3, shift 0, yeah, exponential, and the close will be typical price, not close. It is applied to typical price, HLC3, yeah, and the color will be color blue. I love blue. I don't like seeing red. Alright, yeah, with this we are done with the moving average. Our next indicators is same thing, same moving average, but with a little different. Right here we're making use of moving average 7. Period 7, shift 0. It won't be exponential, instead it will be simple. Alright, and the typical will be close. A very simple indicator. And the color will be color pink. Yeah, so good. Now, this is the main deal. Let's add our RSR. This is where the interpretation and the prediction come into place. Our RSR is period 200. Please take note of this, period 200. Apply to close, superficial color white, and the levels should be 10, 90, and 50. Here is how I set it: 10 for the buy, 90 for the sell, and 50 for the take profit or break even. Make sure you set it the way I do, and then you click on done. So, indicator window 1, we'll click on the F icon and we'll add another indicator called MACD. This is the best indicator you ever see in Meta 4 or Meta 5. It's the best in the world, seriously. It predicts, it tells, it indicates, and without you giving yourself stress, unless you want to give yourself stress. But to me, this is the best. So you leave it the way it is on your screen. Fast EMA 12, slow EMA 26, mark SMA 9, apply to close. Main is 1 pixel color black and the signal is 4 pixel color blue, and you are done. Now our last indicator is the moving average. This is the last indicator. Our period will be period 3. Period 3, shift is 0. Our method is our method will be it will be exponential. Our method will be exponential, and I will be applying this to previous indicators data. Yeah, previous indicator data. Our star is 4 pixel and the color is pink. And with this, we are done. That's all you need. This is all you need. Let me get rid of all these lines. All these horizontal lines are to know your break range. I've already thought about break range. ranging market and the rest. You should have been fluent with all this. So the zoom level is everything. We are making use of all the zoom levels. This is the main zoom level. This is the overall zoom level. We call this zoom level the God eye, because with this zoom level you'll be able to see the overall of the market. Your eye should be on the RSI, not on the screen right now. Let's focus on the RSI and the MACD. This is the full level. The 10 is the oversold and the 90 is the overbought. And we'll be making use of 5 minutes and 15 minutes to analyze this market. 5 minutes and 15 minutes. You know, forex is a kind of how will I put it, financial, like a financial crisis where people buy and sell. You have to be smart and understand what is going on. So your target as a beginner should be 30, 40 or 50 pips. Don't go beyond that. 30, 40 or 50 pips. By the time you advance, you start targeting 100 pips, 150 pips. But right now, stick with 30, 25, 40 pips and you are good. With this strategy, all those funded accounts is just a minor issue. It should be easy to pass because this is a 100% working strategy. Simple. Yeah, this is how it is. When we know the overbought and the oversold region, right now, the 5 minute time frame is telling us that the market is oversold, right? That means it's going up. It will be a reversal. But if you go to the 15 minute time frame and you move left and right, you see that the cloud is here to touch the 10 period. You get what I'm trying to say? That means it's still coming down. So in the overall essence, what it's trying to tell us in some way is that the market is still falling. Because in 15 minutes time frame, the cloud is here to touch the 10 period. But if we go to the 5 minutes, the cloud is already beneath the 10 period. So what the 5 minutes time frame is trying to tell us is that there will be a kind of retest, but 15 minutes time frame says the market is coming down. So we know that this market is coming down. So what we'll be looking for is a retest. Any signal we are going to be taking from this market, Euro USD, is going to be a sell signal. There's no business with you and buy signal or looking for a buy candle and the rest. Your full target is sell. Buying signals will appear, yes, it will appear, but ignore them. Your main purpose of trading is to follow the trend. And now the trend is telling you that it's coming down. What you should be targeting in Euro USD is down, nothing else. You understand me? So when you want to go for a down sell for a sell market, you will zoom in on your second, how would I put it, the second zoom level. This is the first zoom level, 1 and 2. This is the second zoom level. So when you see that, yeah, the market is done with the retesting and it's time to enter, that is when you give it a zoom, 2 zoom levels, so you can be able to see what is happening. This is the area where we make use of our candle knowledge, the pin bar and the rest of it, the resistance level. I don't like using resistance and support in analyzing the market because most times you lose opportunity. But with this strategy, resistance and support level is easy to understand. It's easy to pinpoint such level. You understand me? So right now it's telling us to buy because we have already zoomed in. Now it's telling us to buy, but we know that this market is a selling market, and all we are looking for is a selling opportunity around the 90 region. So it's a no buying area. So we leave it for a retest. You get what I'm trying to say? So we leave this trade for a retest, and after the retesting, we'll zoom it again for the second zoom level, and we'll wait for the market to get to this 90, and it's coming down. We'll go for another sell. This is very, very profitable, very, very accurate. I want you guys to take a time to understand what I'm trying to say. It's very, very accurate, very, very. Let's take a look at another currency pair. Let's take a look at GBP, I like that. It's fast and okay. The market is going up. Yeah, as you all can see this is what I'm trying to say. Look at this. The cloud is around the buying region. You see this? And when it's coming down, it will burst and keep going up. 15 minutes time frame is interpreting something here. But if you go to the 5 minute time frame, 5 minute time frame is being sincere with us. It's telling us the truth. Try to understand what I'm trying to say. 5 minute time frame is telling us the truth, the true prediction of the market. While 15 minute time frame is giving us a misquote. That's why I said to make use of this 15 and 5 minutes. If I were to enter this market, it seems I called this trade yesterday. Yeah. Look at this. The cloud is here. And the overall market will be around the 1 hour region. Okay. This is the overall market. The cloud hit the 10 period here, but didn't touch the 90 period. So it still have more buy to go. You get what I'm saying? It still have much buy to go. So what you'll be looking for is a buy opportunity, because the cloud have already eaten the 10 period, and the next period it should go for is the 90 period, and is heading there. So your target will be for buy only. You get me? So we go to the 5 minute time frame and start looking for a buy opportunity. Waiting for the trade to hit at a region. Now at this region where it hit the cloud there, you see this? It bounced up. We wait for the region where the cloud does not move. That's when we know that yes, we are in the right analysis. So this analysis is wrong because it does not tally with the 15 minutes, neither does it tally with the 5 minutes. So we just ignore this and proceed to another pair. Immediately you see a trade that tally with your analysis, it will be 95% accurate, guaranteed. Now take a look at this. This is a buying region. Then it came down to conclude the selling. This pair is coming down to this region. 100%. It must get to this region. But it will retest a little by little. It will keep retesting until it gets to its ending point. Now what you'll be looking for is a sell opportunity in 5 minutes. If you are to enter this market, you should have entered around this area. And that will bring us in 5 minutes to this point. So all this profit will be yours. Zoom in 3 times and here we go. Did you see this? When you zoom in the 3 times, you take a look at the support and the resistance level. This height where the candle hits themselves and come down is a support and resistance level, and here is a breakout. What you are waiting for is a breakout, and immediately there's a breakout. The blue and the red moving averages causes themselves. Always wait for a breakout. When this strategy, where the MACD has shown us the point where we should enter, always wait for a breakout. When the breakout occurs, set your stop loss at the top of this candle, and your entry point will be around this angle, if not more than 20 pips or 25 pips or 15 pips. Do you see that? From year to year is not up to 12 pips, but you can make it 15 pips or 20 pips depending on your risk appetite. Okay, and with this you'll be good. You play out with the game, let the game play. You see what you are, then you zoom to know where the entry and the exiting point is. Your target is the former double I, which is around this height or around this height. You see this? This is the former where it first of all hits before going up, and here is another angle where it first of all hits and go up. So these are the angles we will be putting our take profits, because these are the angles the market makers are setting their pending orders. The market makers are the one pushing the market with huge funds. So to make money in forex, you have to be smarter than, or be smarter like the money makers. They are the money movers in the market, so we have to take them very serious. Okay. So yeah, this is just to be testing. It will still come down because the 15-minute candle tells us so. The cloud is yet to form completely. You see, the cloud is already touching the 10 period, but it's yet to touch to form completely. Let's zoom in. You see that it's yet to form. The blue and the red are yet to cross. And when it does crosses, you check on 30-minute time frame. You see have a lot of cell to go. The reason why it's going to be test is because of this. The support and the resistance. It's very important. Very, very important. This area, all these support and resistance area are market maker zone. These are where they make their money from. The former high and the former low. This is a simple English. Former high, former low, HL, LL, HH. They are all the same. It's just simple analysis. All this grammar does not put food on your table. Okay, so just understand that the former high and the former low matters a lot. After a retest, it will come down to this region before pushing up. Okay, let me get rid of this. So with this, you will know that the market is selling. It's selling continuously and it will keep selling. You go to the 1 hour time frame, you see that the market is still selling. Alright? And your target should always be around this region, up to this region. Don't go beyond it because the market is very stubborn. The money makers must have put it that okay, these people are going to be buying this market at this region, but you know what? Let's push the market downward to this angle. This is where our money is. When the market reaches angle, then we will buy alongside the retail traders. It's a very simple psychology the market makers have. So always be smart and always understand and believe in yourself. Don't doubt your analysis, okay? And play with demo account. Always use demo account for like a week, 2 weeks before going live, okay? That's why I'll be here consistently giving you guys signal, so you won't lose your money or your funds. Alright. So we are not using the 1 hour time frame to analyze, okay? We are using 5 minutes and 15 minutes. If I'm using the 1 hour time frame, this is a buy market, okay? This is a buy market. Without using the MACD, the MACD is telling me it's a sell, but I know that this is the buy market. The sell is just a little bit push made by the money makers, the market makers, sorry. It's a little bit push, and this push will take the MACD downward up to this region before continuing the uptrend. Alright, this is the angle. This is the angle of the cloud, and what the cloud is, what the MACD is trying to tell us that there will be a diversion. So this is a buy. So just take note. Focus on 5 minutes and 15 minutes. Make your money from this time frame, and you'll be good. Scalping in forex is very easy and very, very sweet, very, very interesting because you can scalp around 5 pairs, 7 pairs, 6 pairs, and you profit around 5 of it. 6 of it can even come. 4 of it, 40 pips on each trade, and you have about 6 positions on different pairs. You won 4 of it, making you 160 pips, and you lost around 40 pips on the rest 2 pairs. You are still in bloody profit. You understand me? You are still in bloody profit. I don't think there's any occupation that will pay you more than forex, okay? So just take your time and analyze this. Follows this strategy very well. The MACD strategy can give birth to 1,000 strategy depending on your risk appetite. Your zoom level first and the second is the zoom level. And this is your god eye where you see the full market. And 15 minutes is for the trend. Know the trend of the market. And your analysis, the higher high and the higher low should be your TP. With the former higher high around this region, this is where it is. I just want you guys to understand this very much. This is the former higher high. This is the former higher high. You see what I'm saying? This is the former higher high. You see what I'm saying? So when you enter the trade, around this area, your first take profit should be around 25 pips or 20 pips, which is this area, and your second profit will be around 40 or 50 pips, which is this region, always it will eat your take profit. Always. As long as you are not greedy, you are not looking for 200 pips, 150 pips, 300 pips, you are targeting a minimum pips, you are good. And the second thing I want you all to take note of is this: I love trading in the morning. I don't like stress. I don't like trading and be panicking, trading and be sweating or getting scared. No, I don't like getting too anxiety over something. No, trade only in the morning. The morning session is very interesting because that time is when the banks are opening. They are putting billions in the market. London session, New York session, they are getting ready to put billions in the market. Young traders all over the world are putting money in the market. In the afternoon, traders might be frustrated. Market makers must have been so annoyed they will start manipulating the market here and there. Even a good analysis does not occur very well in the afternoon. So make sure you trade in the morning. By 7:30, 8 o'clock, you place your orders, analyze the market. We have around 30 pairs. In Forex, analyze the whole 30 pairs. You'll be able to see like 4, 5 signals. You trade it. God bless you. You make around 3 or 4 good signals. Whoa, that's good. You've earned around 140 pips. You lose only 30 pips or 20 pips. Your profit is 100 pips. That is $10 for a minimum account, and that is awesome. You understand me? That is awesome. So use this strategy very well and don't be greedy. Don't be greedy, okay? That greediness is what is killing Nigerians. We are very smart, we are intelligent people, but greed is killing us. In other parts of the world, forex is very hard, but with Nigerians, it's very easy. But greed. Don't use $10 and be looking for $40 a day. You will lose it all overnight. Be a profitable trader. 4, 5 trade in the morning. After 10, 11 o'clock, stop trading. 10, 11 o'clock, stop trading. Focus on your profit and enjoy it. Tomorrow, you start again. The highest loss you will have in a day using this strategy is not more than $2 or $1. The highest loss you will make a day is not more than 20 pips or 30 pips.